YouTube, what's up? Today I have a very short but dope haul for you guys, and it is featuring Million Dollar Motive. I have mentioned them a few times on here already. They're one of my favorite, actually my favorite graphic t-shirt brand in general. I love their t-shirts, and every time I wear their t-shirts I always get compliments, and you guys seem to really love them. So I'm back with another mini haul. So if you guys are interested, then please stay tuned, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications, follow me on TikTok, KissedByKen1, and let's get right into the video. The first shirt that I'm going to show you guys is called the Trappin' Skull Face shirt, and I got it in white, and this is what it looks like. So the designs on these shirts are always so dope and really catchy, and I like how they add their own touch to like something that is like really popular. This shirt is really dope. I love all the color. It's vibrant. I love it in white just because I always love anything with like blue and yellow and orange. Like I love those colors together, so I really love the color combo on here. So I really love the color combo on here. That's what I said, right? So I really love that it's on a white background. And yeah, that's the first shirt. I also did get my shirts in medium this time because I can't remember if I got it in medium before, but I know that sometimes like these shirts don't have a bunch of stretch, so I really like my graphic tees especially. I like them to run a little bit big so it can, you know, I don't know, I just like loose fitting graphic tees. Like most of my graphic tees, if not all of my graphic tees, I usually get them like in a size bigger because I can fit into a small, but I like the medium fit better. So the next t-shirt that I'm going to show you is their Relentless Hustle shirt, and I got it in black. So this one is a front and back kind of shirt. It has graphics on the front. It just says Relentless Hustle, and then in the back we have this little design here, which I really love. It's so dope to me. Like, how dope is this? So I really like this one as well. I love the colors on this one as well, with the blue, the white, and the black. It's perfect, and I love how like none of their designs are too much. I like how it just has sometimes like that little pop of color. Like it looks good with some jeans, some sweats, and then like some sneakers to like make it pop, and then you have a whole like outfit. Like that's why I really love their graphic tees, because it's really simple but very like still pops out at you. And I feel like I said that before about Million Dollar Motive. Okay, the next t-shirt has to be like my favorite besides my hoodie. My hoodie is fire, but the next t-shirt is my favorite out of the t-shirts that I got in this shipment specifically, and this one is the Money Bag shirt, and it's gray / infrared on a black t-shirt. Look at this one. I already. So this is it. I love that this one actually says Million Dollar Motive at the bottom as well, but this one is, I know it's simple, right? But it's just so dope to me. And I remember a few of you guys actually complimented this t-shirt like on TikTok and stuff, because I made a few TikToks with this one on. I love this t-shirt. I love the pop of color. The simplicity yet the pop is, that's why I love Million Dollar Motive. Like this one is my favorite one, and I don't know what about it. So yeah, this one is my favorite from this shipment specifically. You guys know I always have like a favorite, and I would say that one is my favorite. And then I got a hoodie from Million Dollar Motive. This is my first hoodie from them, so I'm really excited about it. And let me give you guys the name. The name of this hoodie is the Chenille Checker Shark Mouth Money Bag Brown Hoodie Sweatshirt. And my hoodie is also in a medium. I loved all of my hoodies oversized. I love all my hoodies oversized, not too oversized where it's just gonna be way too baggy on me, but enough. So this one is in a medium as well. And I've been loving the color brown for this season. I know it's typical because it's like the fall, but I usually never really get a lot of like brown clothing and brown items. So this season, this year, I've made it a point to really get some brown items. But anyway, look at this. How dope is this hoodie? Again, it's like the simplicity of it, and the red is what pops on this design, as well as the white as well. I said as well as the white as well. Yeah, I did. But as well as the white, I love this pop. I love how simple, again, it is, but how awesome, and like it really catches your eye. The texture on the hoodie is awesome as well. It's like a rug kind of texture. I actually have never owned a hoodie with this kind of like texture on it, but it's really dope. And it's comfy, and it's really good quality. It's not a really thin, cheap hoodie, as most companies, a lot of brands try to get away with, but Million Dollar Motive always comes with the quality, and I really love that about Million Dollar Motive. I know You guys have seen me do a few hauls from them, and I'm gonna continue to work with them because I really do love every time I work with Million Dollar Motive. It's always like a success. I see a lot of people really tune in and really like their stuff, and I really love their stuff, and that's what's most important, honestly, if I'm working with them. I really love everything that they sent me. This was a short little haul, but I hope you guys enjoy the items as well. I will leave all of the information down below, and I will leave the link specifically to these items down below as well. So if you guys are interested, you guys can definitely check them out. Go check out Million Dollar Motive on every social and let them know that Kissed by Ken sent you. And yeah, so I almost forgot an honorable mention. I also received this sticker pack. It comes with 20 stickers in here, and I really love the stickers already. It has a lot of like the graphics that are on their t-shirts is what the stickers are, and I love it because I love the graphics on the t-shirts. And these are really good quality stickers as well. They're not just like really cheap stickers. These are really like, you can feel it. You know what I mean? Like everything about these stickers is worth it. So I remember getting, I don't know if you guys remember a few hauls back, but I remember I got this t-shirt, The Good Life. That's one of my favorite t-shirts that I got from that pack. I have this one here called it's Break Bread. This one, which is from one of the t-shirts I showed today, Trappin', and these are really good sized stickers as well. They're really good quality. I can feel it. This one from the t-shirt I just showed today, which I love. I need to find places to put these stickers. That's the truth. So I'm just gonna show you a few more. Just keep it 100. Keep it 100. Like it, love it by any means. But anyways, yeah, there are like 20 stickers in this sticker pack, and they're all really freaking dope, and they're really good quality stickers as well. So if anything, if you can't get the t-shirts or whatever, definitely get you a sticker pack because these are fire. So I love everything that Million Dollar Motive is doing. Also, huge shout out to Million Dollar Motive because they did just open a physical store. I'm gonna have where here on the screen because I don't know off the top of my head. I just know it's not in New York City, sadly. So huge congratulations to Million Dollar Motive for that. And yeah, I just wanted to give this honorable mention because I thought this was really dope too for them to include this in the package. Thank you, Million Dollar Motive, for sponsoring this video. Thank you for working with me, and thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Follow me on TikTok, KissedByKen1, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!